go. We're on page 162. Number 4. An acronym is a word formed by taking the first letters of the words in a phrase and making a word from them. For example, RAM is an acronym for Random Access Memory. Write a program that allows the user to type in a phrase and then outputs the acronym for that phrase. Note, the acronym should be all uppercase, even if the words in the phrase are not capitalized. Okay, so I think I did this before. Let me check it out. Here's acronym. I don't know if it worked, but let's try it out. So, open acronym. Okay. I don't remember if I ended up working or not. Looks pretty good. If the string is blank, then I'm gonna print string of x plus 1 dot upper, and then end it here, and then it keeps running through that loop until it finds these. Maybe. We'll see. So let's say there is here. Yeah, boom. So I keep having this problem with these yellow. I don't know if that will show up on the video because the spinning wheel of death didn't show up on the video, so it's kind of cool. On an earlier video, but anyways, yeah, I mean, I think it should still be fine. Let's try it again. Like, I guess it's just is. So what about not is? Like there, here, now, today. Boom. So I guess it just is. I don't know if somebody would, submit, let me know what that is. I'll probably find out. I don't have to have every answer. I think that it's kind of like anything with learning. It's the fact that, you have to keep your momentum going and learn like the important stuff. And if you think that it's not that important, you don't want to go down some long like rabbit hole and spend an hour trying to find that out. So it's kind of, I think that's the most challenging part about learning something like this that's really technical. I mean, it's probably the same with anything, but I think that because it's so brand new, it's not like you've taken, you can take math class starting when you're a little kid, right? Same with reading and and science and stuff like that. So you have these years of like frame of reference that you're just building on. But if it's something that's brand new, that it's somewhat brand new, then you really have to be good at discriminating in terms of the info. So yeah, so that's number 4. Acronym.py. String of so string is going to be the argument. Here's the acronym header. The acronym is the function name. So then we're going to print string index 0, which is going to be the first character in the string. We're going to make that uppercase, right? And dot upper means that there's going to be an argument 0 or more arguments. This doesn't have any arguments. This method, it just gets applied to string, whatever this is. If it's capital A, it's going to make it uppercase A. If it's capital A, it's still going to be capital A. And then the end is crucial here because the end is a blank. It's like a non-space. So basically it moves the cursor to right after that letter, and then it starts the loop. And so it says from 0 to length of the string, if string of x, right, of the index number is, which is the conditional, right? Like if conditional is a blank space, then we're going to print out string of x plus 1. So the next one, the next character, uppercase, and with, and the cursor right after that. So it's going to be like there, here, today. It's going to automatically do the there, print the T in there. And then it's going to print, then it's going to find the first blank space, which is in between there and here. Then it prints the capital version, the uppercase version of H, right there, here, today. So it's T, H, and then it goes back up the loop, and then it prints the T from today. So T, H, T, there, here, today. those spaces. And yeah, I mean, there's probably a lot more ways to do this. I'm sure that this can be underneath the loop if someone was savvier, better at it. But I think right now I want to get it to run. And then obviously here is where we define a string, and then we call the acronym function using a string as our parameter. Excuse me, as our argument. And this is our, these parentheses are our parameters. And then boom, that comes in here, that becomes string, just to make it clear. But yeah, that was definitely a fun one. Let's do number 5. But actually, you know what? We'll do number 5 next. But that was number 4. Number 5 is going to have to do with the letters of the alphabet. So let's think about the letters of the alphabet for the next one. Thank you very much.